Welcome! In this demo, we'll show how to control the WLKATA MT4 robotic arm using the WLKATA LLM MCP Server, which combines real-time robot control with the power of large language models, LLMs. The MCP Server is a lightweight, flexible tool for sending commands via buttons, Python, or natural language. It supports all WLKATA robotic arms through one unified interface. MCP stands for Multi-Controller Protocol, an open system developed by WLKATA for integrating sensors, AI models, and custom logic. You can choose which LLM to use, from ChatGPT to open-source models, locally or in the cloud. There is a growing set of online tutorials and documentation to help you get started. Now, let's take a look at how it works in action. First, set up your system. You'll need the MT4 robotic arm, a multifunction controller, and a USB cable. Once everything is ready, connect it all to your computer. Next, launch the WLKATA MCP Server. In this demo, we're using the MT4 robot with the V3 configuration. Just select the correct model to begin. Let's start by sending a home command. Click Send, and the robotic arm will move back to its default position. Now try turning the air pump on, then off, using simple commands. Let's make the arm move. Send a motion command, and the arm will begin executing it precisely. Once done, you can return it to its original position with a quick back to home command. The MCP server can also run saved task files. Just load the file and click Run. And here's where things get really smart. Thanks to LLM integration, you can type in natural instructions like move to position X and turn on the pump. The language model interprets your request and automatically generates the robot control code. If something goes wrong, the LLM can even analyze the issue and suggest a fix, making robotics more accessible and intuitive than ever. That's a quick look at how to use the WLKATA LLM CP server with the MT4. Whether you're teaching robotics, prototyping automation, or exploring AI integration, this tool gives you full control and creative freedom. Stay tuned for more tutorials.